Hey guys, okay, so I just got a couple of these packages and I've been waiting to unveil them with you guys. Oh, I could put my little album on too right now. I can never play anything when I'm recording because I can't use my phone while I'm recording, but I have a record player. Let me see. I like having music on while I'm talking to people. It's old-fashioned. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to do a whole segment on door decor. It's something really cool that I like to do, and I think it's really important because it actually adds a depth to a small space. And also if you're theming stuff, which I'm doing, you can actually really enhance your design by doing door decor. So I'm going to show you. I got two for the outside doors, and I have one for inside my room because it's more of a captain. It's a lair, but it's like a captain nautical type of thing inside. So I bought a different door for that. But for the two outside, it matches the decor of the entire house. So I'm gonna adjust this just a little. So I got these two and they come in two sections. So I'm gonna see which ones I got. The two for the outside doors that are in the hallway are, how do I explain it? They're kind of like stained glass and they look like you're looking outside. Can you see that? It's so beautiful and it matches the rest. So this one has two because they come in two panels when you put them on. So I ordered two of those, so I'm assuming that this other one is the same thing because my pirate door is not coming, maybe not even until the second week of January. Happy New Year, by the way. Let's see what this one is. And I'm so excited because I'm pretty much finished with my Shady Lady Saloon bathroom theme, and I'm going to do a whole video on that one to show you. Wow, they really wrapped this one because this room is almost done. And I ordered some wallpaper for the closet doors, and it turned out to be like real wallpaper that you have to get adhesive, and too complicated for this area that I'm trying to cover. Oh, is it? It is. I'm so excited. Okay, can you see this? This is the door that's going to go in this room because you can see how moody it is. It's going to go on that door right there. Let me see if I can get my finger here. Right there, that door. These are the closet doors over here that the wallpaper I got didn't work. So I didn't even attempt. Well, I attempted it and it was like way too hard. I like to use these because it's like a big sticker, or even putting on a, I have experience with putting on skins for computers, and it's very similar to that, just bigger. So anyway, I will record me putting this one on for you guys so you can actually see it, or I'll do one of them. I might do the other one because I want to do the outside bathroom door right now. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's so fun. And then I'm going to take you on a tour of all my doors in my house. Okay, bye. Okay, so let me just say that it's really important for you to set your expectations with these projects. The first time you do it, you're going to be a little bit stressed out, and that's normal, but just even like with my cooking and everything else that I do, attempt to do these things with no stress. It's just to be fun and to be creative and just be patient. There are some tips that I'm going to give you, but you need to just set your expectations, that your expectation basically is not to be perfect. It's just for the door to not be fucked up. And little imperfections are totally fine. That's what makes it you and unique and original. Just like shopping on Etsy, you know, things are not perfect. They're just different, and that's why you shop there. It's real. Okay, here we go. First, you're going to wipe down the door and make sure the door is free of dust and is clean. These stickers come in two pieces, left and right. Before you start sticking them together, roll it out completely to look at it, and you're going to want to overlap the center seam a couple of millimeters. When you get to the right side of the door, be sure to take off the doorknob. Trust me, you want to do this because it will be a nightmare to try and put it on accurately with the doorknob in the way. And if that scares you, then you are in the right place, because you should always be a little afraid when you're trying something new. The results are pretty amazing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a cross where the doorknob should be, and I cut a circle all the way around using the wood as a guide with my razor blade. Then simply reinstall the doorknob and the door is done. I absolutely love it. Transformation is pretty dramatic and I love it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Sufani's World.